How to reblog content on Tumblr. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, scroll or use the search bar to find the post you want to reblog. Once you find the post, tap the reblog icon, which looks like two arrows forming a square. A new screen will open where you can add your own comments, tags, or text if you want to personalize the reblog. After making any changes, tap the reblog button at the top right corner to share the post on your blog. Your reblogged post will now appear on your blog and in your followers' dashboard, helping you share content you like with your audience. Remember, reblogging is a great way to engage with other Tumblr users and discover fresh content. Now you know how to reblog content on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.